Because of a lawsuit brought by one of the main regulatory agencies in the United States, XRP has had a lot of ups and downs since December 2020. The case has just been dragged out till now. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, as a silver lining to a cloud, has disclosed when this litigation may be resolved. It isn't a long way. Welcome to XRP Zone. We will tell you when the Ripple SEC lawsuit will be over, XRP will have bigger and bigger gains. You will know why the SEC is just dragging the lawsuit. You will be enlightened about the recent victory of Ripple against SEC. XRP has the potential that no one has, and keeping that in our minds, we are set to believe that when XRP wins the case, the banks are definitely going to use XRP as their blockchain. Why? Well, obviously because XRP offers too much. The crypto trail of the century is well known. The Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit on December 22nd against Ripple Labs, and two of its executives saying that they offered and sold approximately 1.38 billion in digital currency XRP without registration or exemption, and a violation of Section 5 of the Securities Act 1993. On January 29th, Ripple submitted an answer denying that XRP is a security or that it has violated securities laws. Ripple's stance is that because to their decentralized character, neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum are classified as securities by the SEC. Ripple claims that because they operate in the same environment as their counterparts, they are being treated unfairly. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States US SEC has filed the preliminary accusations against Ripple. The XRP coin was allegedly sold as an unregistered securities offering according to the commission. The US Securities and Exchange Commission SEC filed an amended complaint against Ripple Labs on February 18, 2021. This new complaint now included many new details, allegations against the company and two of its top executives. Ripple attorney Jeremy Hogan has outlined a couple of the new charges in the lawsuit. He pointed out that the EC is required to establish that XRP is a security and that Ripple officials were aware that selling of assets was wrong, yet continued to do so despite the failures. Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse are accused in 110 paragraphs by the SEC. These are the two Ripple Labs executives who are accused of improperly approving and negotiating institutional sale and that offers of Ripple's crypto tokens to institutional investors. However, legal counsel to Ripple, Stuart Alderoty, said that SEC's changes on their charges against Ripple only have a little effect in legal terms. Now, if Ripple prevails in the lawsuit, the cryptocurrency's value is projected to increase, making purchasing XRP a potentially lucrative risk. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have just broken new all-time highs, XRP has not tested its all-time high in more than 3 years. The price of XRP USD is still over 80% below its all-time high. In case it comes out successful from the court, the situation is very much likely that the way it provides perfection transaction system. It is to become the blockchain of banks, and with that being said, it can take over all the local currencies, especially bringing down the US dollar. According to InvestorPlace.com, things are starting to go Ripple's way in court. On June 1st, 2021, a judge determined that the SEC has no legal access to Ripple's communications with their legal counsel since they are protected by attorney-client privilege. That does not, however, imply that the matter will be resolved anytime soon. Ripple may be inclined to settle the lawsuit as soon as possible, even if it means paying out big fines to the government. Many investors are banking on a spike in prices. If this happens, Ripple isn't the only who's affected by the case. The cryptocurrency market is known for being volatile, and the outcome of this litigation could push investors one way or the other. Investors should keep a watch on the Ripple case, as it has the potential to have a long-term impact on the cryptocurrency market. Even if they have to pay out, most investors believe Ripple and XRP will recover. In reality, once the government investigation and legal difficulties have been settled, Ripple may decide to go to public. This is especially crucial because the US Securities and Exchange Commission must approve the move. Despite its legal trouble, Business Insider reports that talks of going public have published XRP up 14%. Ripple has remained extremely volatile as a result of the continuing dispute. XRP was trading at $0.22 at the start of the year. XRP hit a high of 1.84 in mid-April when all cryptocurrencies were soaring. The essential point is that even in the thick of the lawsuit, there was a significant trading opportunity. However, XRP has since adjusted to a current price 93 cents. This has nothing to do with the lawsuit's development. First and foremost, China stated that financial organizations would no longer be allowed to provide services connected to cryptocurrency transactions. causing a broad-based slump in the cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, Elon Musk's opinion on Bitcoin mining environmental impact bolstered the bearish case in the crypto market. At 93 cents, I feel XRP is a viable option. While a large exposure to XRP can be avoided, the benefits of any prospective settlement can be multiplied. Let's take a look at the reasons for this bullish outlook on XRP. Also, note that there is a possibility of a settlement before trial. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, who has been following the case closely since the beginning, had a unique perspective. Not even 10% of cases can be tried. Jeremy points out judges are always encouraging lawyers to settle because, in reality, if more cases were to be tried, the systems would collapse. There are simply insufficient resources. Crypto enthusiast Stephen W. H. Huber responds to Jeremy's tweet by stating that 96% of all SEC cases are settled before trial. It's also worth mentioning that Ripple has not been defensive. They have taken a fairly strong stance in their fight against SEC. Ripple, for example, recently urged the SEC to explain why it considers XRP differently in contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Furthermore, from Ripple's standpoint, there are bigger ambitions in the work. The likelihood that Ripple becomes a public business at some point, according to Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse, is very high. However, this is unlikely unless Ripple has cleared the SEC case. It may thus be in the both parties' best interest to reach an agreement as soon as possible. Once that happens, we expect XRP to surge from current levels. Another key item to mention is that Ripple had strong business performance. Ripple has struck 15 new contracts with banks and around the world since the SEC case. Growth has concentrated in Asia and Japan, where XRP is accepted as a currency. On these contracts, XRP would have been going higher if there had been no regulatory impediment. As a result, once the SEC action is resolved, the cryptocurrency appears to have enormous upward potential. Bitcoin, according to SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, is a speculative store of value. Gensler also feels that SEC should be technology neutral when it comes to market innovations. It appears that Gensler is receptive to cryptocurrency related innovation. The SEC chairman, on the other hand, is more concerned about speculation and investor protection. Cryptocurrencies are likely to be regulated at some point in the future. A comprehensive prohibition appears improbable. The SEC's action against Ripple is expected to be beneficial to the Bitcoin industry. From a regulatory standpoint, there will be greater clarity once the litigation is completed. Ripple appears to have more advantages than disadvantages. Of course, with regulatory headwinds, large exposure to the currency is dangerous. With a medium-term horizon too, we are all quite bullish. The key upside triggers are settlement with the SEC and the possibility of going public. Positive Ripple business development in emerging economies are also a plus. Regulation of the entire cryptocurrency space is a potential issue. Once all this is over, the SEC suit, then all the black clouds will be lifted and XRP will rule what was once the world of local cryptocurrencies such as US dollars. That was all from us. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you until next time.